Okay, check out this bead. It says peace, love, and joy. And it looks like there's a bunch of little gingerbread men holding hands. And it's adorable. I love this. I'm gonna have to look this one up because I have no idea what it is. But there's the maker's mark, which is owned. I love this bead, and I don't have it, so I'm really thrilled with that. Hooray for that one. It's gorgeous. Okay, bag number 2. Juicy Couture boxes. Okay, I know what this is. I don't have a note on it. Okay, let's see what this is, even though I'm pretty sure I know what this is, and I'm kind of really excited for it. This is the large size too. Juicy Couture charm. That's the engagement ring. How amazing is that? Wow. I've been slowly getting some of these charms that I wasn't able to get ages ago when they were crazy expensive and everybody wanted them. Ring charm made in China. It doesn't have the price tag on it anymore. But holy, look at that one. It's gorgeous. That's going to be another one for my Juicy Couture charm bracelet. Love that. Okay, let's have a look at this one. And it's the key. I wanted this one too. It's so cool. And it's the extra large size. So these two, I'm totally thrilled to get. I was able to pick these up for $12, I think. So really love that. Here's one of my Juicy bracelets here, but this one's full, so I'm gonna have to find another one. And this one's the Christmas one. I do have a couple. So this is really, really cool. I'm not sure to put these on here or not. Maybe. Might still fit. How about we just throw them on for now? That will work for now. Pretty cool. I like that. Okay, we have one more bag left. Home juice. Okay, next bag. I think I know what this is. And this is going to be, I believe, some more Thomas Savo. I think. Is that all in there? Yes. Which is really, really cool. Let me see if, I'm not sure if my troll beads is gonna fit. No, it's not gonna fit in here. But let me see. We have two safety chains, which is super handy because these do fit on other things, which I find really handy. And these safety chains were on for, I think, $13 a piece. And here is 2 gorgeous rock crystal charms. One looks like it's kind of like a salty finish, and the other one is a bit shinier, so pretty thrilled with these. So that's pretty cool. I'm happy with these finds for this week. And I'm super happy with these completely amazing old school charms from Juicy Couture. Kind of really fun. All right, so we're gonna wrap that up for now, and I'm going to come back in a bit and see if I have some more that are coming in the mail tomorrow. But for now, I love this Ohm charm and these other fun ones. Let me see if I can set them up for you. This will be for my Thomas Sabo bracelet, and we'll come do a design video with that one soon too. Pretty cool haul, and pretty different too. Let me take these back off. I can. Every day is different in charm collecting. You really never know what you find out there. And I'm kind of thrilled with what we found this week. So, hope you had a good week collecting, and we will be back soon with some more finds. Take care for now. Happy hunting, and we'll see you soon.